Morning everyone. This is the day our sixth day of summer camp, and today we have learned about how we make the tent. So here you can see a tent to live or rest of, and now you can see with bamboos we have made our kitchen. This is our kitchen, and that guest room. And here at that side we have made from bamboo and toilet.
Very good. Nice. Very good. Very good. बहुत सुंदर. क्या नाम तुम्हारा? ध्रुव. Very good. Nice. Okay? What ऐसे करना? Left, right, left, left, right. Right. Stop. Left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right. पैर ऐसे नहीं उठाते हैं, ये सामने से उठाते हैं ऐसे. Yes. सामने, सीधा नहीं. Very good. Very right. Hold the body.
Stand for